against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. Welcome back. Please lift up on your lap harness, unbuckle your seatbelt, and carefully step over the orange and blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker, and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Watch how difficult it is to get in and out of these seats. There's no leg room here. It's impossible. Oh, it's so challenging. Orange reference mark right there to see if it's locked. Or the sliding track. Launchers in the track. Limbs or LSMs, linear synchronous motors. Linear induction motors. A lot of yellow. There goes the harness. A lot of yellow proc switches. Arms up. All right. And away we go.
And get ready to break the ice.
All right, it's Icebreaker at SeaWorld Orlando. People not know what we're doing. Icebreaker at SeaWorld.
Push up on your left bars.
There's just no place for a foot right there. My foot is wider than the cab.